Welcome to the latest weather forecast for the United Kingdom, based on the latest releases from the ECMWF 9 km Numerical Observatory. Before delving into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell for updates. Today, Thursday, December 7th, the weather will be unsettled due to the influence of an Atlantic low-pressure system. Expect cloudy conditions with moderate to heavy rain, occasionally intense, across all regions and cities of the kingdom. Rainfall may reach or exceed 15, 20, 25, 30, or even 40 millimeters in some areas, especially those highlighted in green and yellow on the screen. Caution is advised, as these rains may be accompanied by strong wind gusts. Key areas affected by stormy rains include Plymouth, Torquay, Bodmin, Seaton, Southampton, Poole, Weymouth, Swansea, Cardiff, Merthyr Tydfil, Usk, Brecon, Carmarthen, Belfast, Downpatrick, Ripon, Northallerton, Settle, Hawes, Crook, Hexham, Harwich, Fraserburgh, Turriff, Dufftown, Old Meldrum, Peterhead, Aberdeen, Ballater, Stonehaven, Montrose, Forfar, Dundee, Aviemore and Pitlochry. Additionally, heavy snowfall is expected in many areas of Scotland, particularly in central Scotland, with accumulations exceeding 20 or 25 centimeters. Some light snow is also possible, especially in the early morning hours in northern England. Here are the specific areas affected by snow today: Hawes, Settle, Crook, Hexham, Penrith, Keswick, Ambleside, Horsley, Hawick, Langholm, Galashiels, Moffat, Lanark, Armadale, Glasgow, Perth, Stirling, Greenock, Loch Gilfed. Light snow is also expected in areas like Cumnock, Carsfern, Inverarray, Fort William, Fort Augustus, Tobermory, Mallaig, Stromaferry, Achnasheen, Ullapool, Rosehall, Kinlochbervie, Dufftown. Heavy snow is anticipated in areas such as Aviemore, Ballater, Pitlochry, Crieff, Killin, and Aberfoyle. Notice the significant convergence of isobar lines indicating atmospheric pressure on the eastern side of this Atlantic low-pressure system, leading to strong winds ranging from 50 to 80 kilometers per hour in most coastal cities of the kingdom, as well as northern Scotland and the northern and northwestern islands. The effects of the Atlantic low-pressure system will persist on Friday, December 8th, with expected continued rainfall from weak to moderate in Northern Ireland, Wales, Northern England, southwest Scotland, and the northern and western islands of the kingdom. Warm southwest winds will relatively raise temperatures. Expect a new Atlantic weather disturbance to approach the kingdom on Saturday, December 9th and Sunday, December 10th, resulting in moderate to light rainfall in most regions and cities of the kingdom. Weak rainfall may continue during the first half of Monday, December 11th in northern England, northwest Wales, and possibly very light drizzles in southern Scotland and the northern and northwestern islands of the kingdom.